ebusia mresana mo akwaba amo atenase yedaba oye nkanfoa community connect GPRTU station wape aha na ne pay yede community connect no yede abosei na yamina na dawoma ya behe ya de ebusia kwetira ye nkweti oye school a owo nkanfoa na enda so de meyenyim no yabo atwe nkomo na ya hwe school ahorowa olobo man kan form from wenya adesua ana wenya suenwun bapa wodabo oman Ghana nupuntu na no kanko merike sei menya manchira ba ben wo menchen ngete sama wache wodi mahinwa yo yadase within the school eko
but our from is Sarah Abbey Boko School NKANFOA St. Paul's Catholic Basic School.
NKANFOA St. Paul. Roman Catholic. Jo. Achebe wa say.
Mrs. Justine Esima Sanabo.
Justina, itu me kasa mo achenda mgbe wanu.
Mrs. Justine Esima Sanabo. Na manso mo ko school NKANFOA St. Paul.
St. Paul's. Yeah, that's it. NKANFOA St. Paul headmaster and headmistress. What friend?
Pacha your headmistress.
Headmistress. What friend?
Miss Juliana Kofi.
Miss Juliana Kofi. Madam Kofi, what class teacher or friend?
Our friend or Gershon or say.
Gershon or say. Teacher no life pa I see. Matter about what class teacher or friend?
Say Gershon na or say what?
Hey, Gershon na or say what? Or Temfa or to Kruma not to town. Or to town. Into the awful car. Ukita kala na ofuka ofuka ukita kala oye nti inyi na botokala mu teacher na botokala mo papa o papa no you teacher man na botokala first amen yey open your mouth we tell abotokala one na be dey katokala o papa no you teacher
me papa
abotokala mo papa abadintira
o san do no wo no in school no san so sham kan
Jo yadase imuna kasa eti achaba wo classmate ahuna yin wo school ho no mona pa na epia na asem
Pacha Sarabi
Sarah na epia na asem mona so pa na ichi ni classroom wo kra asai wa na ichi ni kra classroom wo nchilo bia yeah be careful eti classroom wo se obande wonkeja agwe obande wo sua dza ebankwan na wofado wo de sua do
Pacha say ebi wa kwa na say young teachers no commit na class prefect na there any student or class ojina yen na ana oche na there o ma your revise as I yes
o sua yeah that's it mam national pledge
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself with the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. Through the blood and toil of our fathers, and I pledge myself the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers.
Tiado yeteu yo ebusia yebotiero naden machaba mam Ghana national anthem.
God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation
Bewanu
God bless our homeland Ghana and make our great nation great and strong.
Oye chanana ahwe bieni na la Omam national anthem. We are woman pledge. And we be na national anthem first. Ready? Go.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of rights. Fill our hearts with true humility, make us cherish fearless honesty, and help us to raise us oppressors with all our and might forevermore. And help us to raise us oppressors with all our and might forevermore.
Aka, the pledge. Now, I often abatan sentira nkomero kwado wama yen pledge yiwia e beka sama cha often abatan. The pledge.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God.
Yo, Ebusia, so help us God. Yanko panabuwa pa yeja enyanumi kwan na wako na mamanka semenche awofo yeja mafama no kwan na wako school a waba awofo no asidi a wowo da wako school na aba no obian na awofo no woye wadeboa moframan Batan oye ne zende ebe ne bi fi school aba na obi bi sende nda kwa wusu abade oye zin ma batan do ba obi sende nda kwa wusu abade yenye abofari din koman osi so nyina obi din kan watakala ma na papa na wata ma ne teacher obi wunta na papa no won ono no hwen now wo batan eta abofo na kama teacher there on che na adin abofo no ba woza o there ye ehwe there teacher no adin o de cha abofo wa che ni ye anon che ni ye on ye that ye awofia ye now so eba no read that's why the bottle kala ma na papa na bi so wo there za moframa ubigina ha wolikan wakama teacher na wakama awofo waka bufe waya da obaka mame question ni be waya da papa ebe ante ku ni be ya waya da papa won kre teacher no school girl da bi na so awofo yen hwe kwana yen yen moframa yen woneti na konumpa ije wusuku mu woko wo ba na yin bisa hwe badi usikako nkwete nsa yareshe mo ko bia yareshe nya mo wo ya no mo comment na mo kasma kira wofo nya sudi a owo mo hemba no oya hia yen mo froma onye teacher ne de teacher nso wo na sudi wo ho enti nya nkanfoa St Paul's Catholic ebusan kanfoa yawo Methodist school wa ha yawo oye perpetual school wa ha yaye de menwa no so bobon komo na ya hweda nkanfoa debi daachi nchirimba nurse for obi fi mmaba doctor for obi fi mmaba carpenter for obi fi mmaba mason for obi fi mmaba lawyer for obi fi mmaba driver for obi fi mmaba mason for promise and for that chini yet what's that it was a man I umbra na school for work and so you won't come. eti ebusia masena mo akwaba masena mo atena se aba Coastal Television do ya da wara ya wo nkamfoa GPRT station wo pe Community Connect ena ya zebra humi na adam na ya kan no nkamfoa school a doso ye St Paul Women Catholic America Sierra Methodist fo ha private school no so ha ebusuafo maho akwaba wo de mahenwa ya da se mensa simfi mensa benkumi gentleman within the school record Maondo Abdul Hadro Woof hey ayo eti echo school when bright future wow mensaluha within the school record
since Michelle Nanaya L school or Reverend Electoral Memorial Methodist School.
Wow. Methodist School. Gentlemen, what's within the school record?
Mrs. Joseph Eju, school or Reverend Electoral Basic School.
Wow. Enti ebushafo yana dache nkamfoa adatrefo dache anesefo dache a lawyers omanu payinfo na ndey unehie mo komiseme nkumbio gentlemen school na